Hey everyone, and welcome back to Tech Talk Central. I'm Nathan, and with me today is Sarah, our resident tech expert.
Hey everyone.
So, if you're watching this, you're probably in the market for a new laptop. And let's be real, with all the options out there, it can feel like you're drowning in a sea of specs and features.
Oh, absolutely. It's enough to make anyone's head spin.
But don't worry, because that's where we come in. In this deep dive, we're breaking down 3 of the hottest laptops on the market right now. We'll be comparing their specs, their unique features, and hopefully helping you make that final decision.
Yeah. We'll give you all the info you need to choose the laptop that truly fits your needs.
All right, let's jump right in with the Asus ZenBook 14. Now this one caught my eye because it boasts some seriously impressive upgrades. 16 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, and just a quick reminder, DDR5 is the latest generation of RAM.
Meaning faster performance and smoother multitasking.
Exactly. And to top it off, it also comes with a 1 TB SSD.
Oh, a 1 TB SSD is a game changer. Seriously, it's like having a super highway for your data. Your laptop will boot up in seconds, apps will load incredibly fast, and you'll have tons of space for all your files.
Yeah, it's like the difference between taking the scenic route and hopping on a bullet train.
Mm-hmm.
And to power all of this, the ZenBook is rocking the latest AMD Ryzen 7 808840HS processor. The thing is known for its speed and efficiency. It's a real powerhouse.
Definitely. And we can't forget about that gorgeous 14-inch touchscreen display with a 16:10 aspect ratio. Perfect for getting work done or enjoying some entertainment.
Absolutely. And here's a little bonus for our viewers. This specific model, sold by Courage Deals on Amazon, comes with a free 32 GB USB drive.
Nice. Always good to have extra storage handy.
All right, moving on to our next contender, the Acer Swift 14. Now this one is stepping into the future with its focus on AI. It comes with Windows 11 and features a new AI assistant called Copilot Plus AG. And from what I've heard, this thing is supposed to revolutionize how we work.
It really is a game changer. Copilot Plus uses the powerful Snapdragon X Plus processor to allow for AI-powered tasks. You can do things like turning text prompts into artwork or searching for information across all your files using natural language.
Wait, hold on. You're telling me I can just talk to my laptop and it'll understand what I'm saying?
Pretty much. It's like having a personal assistant right there in your computer.
That's insane.
Yeah.
So AI is obviously a big focus here. But what about the rest of the laptop?
Well, the Swift 14 also has a stunning 14.5-inch display with a 120 Hz refresh rate, which makes for super smooth visuals. And for those who need to stay connected on the go, it boasts Wi-Fi 7 and an impressive battery life that reviewers claim can last up to 24 hours.
24 hours. That's wild. You could literally work or play all day without needing to plug in. All right, let's move on to our final contender for today, the HP Spectre by 360. This one is a stylish 2-in-1 laptop that offers both flexibility and power. It features a large 16-inch 3K plus touchscreen display and the latest Intel i7-13700H processor.
Yeah, the Spectre by 360's 2-in-1 design means you can use it as both a laptop and a tablet, making it adaptable to different work styles and scenarios.
I love that versatility. Now, what about storage? How much space are we working with here?
Well, you get a whopping 1.16 TB of storage space. That's thanks to a 1 TB SSD and a 160 GB docking station, which is included with the purchase.
Wow, that's a lot of storage. And I see that HP has also packed in some nice security features, like a fingerprint reader and a privacy camera.
Right. That privacy camera can be physically closed when not in use, so you can be sure that no one's spying on you.
All right, so there you have it. 3 fantastic laptops, each with its own unique strengths. All right, so we've laid out the features and specs of these 3 amazing laptops, but now it's time to really dig in and see which one is the perfect fit for you.
Exactly. Do you need a laptop that can handle demanding tasks like video editing or gaming? Or are you more focused on portability and battery life? Maybe you're looking for a device with cutting-edge AI features.
There's a lot to consider. Let's start with that tricked-out Asus ZenBook 14. I'm really curious about these custom upgrades from Courage Deals.
Yeah, they've basically taken the base model and supercharged it, doubling the RAM to 16 GB, and swapping out the 512 GB SSD for a spacious 1 TB SSD.
So you're getting a significant performance boost right out of the box. But does that affect the warranty at all?
That's a good question, and Courage Deals does address that. They offer a 1-year warranty on their upgraded components, in addition to the manufacturer's original warranty.
So you're still covered. That's good to know. Now, what about the overall design and portability? Is it as sleek and lightweight as it looks in the pictures?
It definitely looks that way. Based on the specs, it weighs in at under 3 pounds. and it's less than 0.6 inches thick, so it should be pretty easy to slip into a backpack or carrying case.
And we talked about that 14-inch touchscreen with the 16:10 aspect ratio being great for productivity. Can you elaborate on that a bit more?
Sure, that extra vertical space really comes in handy when you're working with documents or browsing the web. You can see more of the page without having to scroll as much.
So it's all about maximizing that usable screen space.
Oh,
Is it
yeah.
a responsive touchscreen?
Oh yeah, it's a multi-touch display, so it can register multiple touch points at the same time.
Does it support an active pen?
The specs don't specifically mention active pen compatibility, so you might want to double check on that if it's important to you.
Good point. Now let's shift gears to the Acer Swift 14. The whole AI thing is really intriguing, but is it just a gimmick or does it actually add real value to the user experience?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? From what I've seen, Copilot Plus is more than just a flashy add-on. It has the potential to fundamentally change how we interact with our computers.
Okay, but let's get specific. How can Copilot Plus actually make a difference in someone's daily workflow?
Well, imagine you're working on a presentation and you need to find some specific information, but it's buried in a mountain of files and emails. Instead of spending hours digging through everything, you can simply ask Copilot Plus a question in plain English, like, find me the sales figures from last quarter's marketing report.
Yeah, it'll just do it.
Exactly. It can search across all your files and pull up the relevant information in seconds.
That's amazing. So it's like having a super efficient research assistant built right into your laptop.
That's a great way to put it.
But can it do more than just information retrieval?
Oh, absolutely. Copilot Plus can also help you summarize lengthy documents, brainstorm ideas, even create social media posts.
And don't forget about that text-to-artwork feature.
Right. That's powered by AI as well.
Okay, but let's be realistic. Is the AI art good enough to replace professional design tools?
Probably not. At least not yet. But it's a fantastic tool for quickly visualizing ideas, generating creative concepts, or just having fun with AI-generated art.
So it's more about augmenting human creativity than replacing it.
Yeah.
Now, what about the Snapdragon X Plus processor powering all of this AI magic? How does it stack up against the Intel or AMD chips we typically see in laptops?
Well, Qualcomm is known for making incredibly powerful and efficient mobile processors, and they're bringing that expertise to the laptop world with the Snapdragon X Plus. It's designed to excel at AI processing while also maximizing battery life.
And with those claims of up to 24 hours of battery life, it seems like they've achieved that.
It's pretty impressive for anyone who travels frequently, or just needs a laptop that can last through a full day of work without being tethered to an outlet. The Swift 14 is a dream come true.
All right, let's move on to our final contender, the HP Spectre by 360. We've talked about its sleek design and two-in-one functionality, but can it handle demanding tasks like video editing or gaming?
Oh, absolutely. The Spectre by 360 comes equipped with the latest Intel i7 3700H processor, which is a beast. It can handle pretty much anything you throw at it.
What about the graphics?
It comes with Intel Iris X graphics, which isn't a dedicated gaming GPU, but it's still capable of handling casual gaming, photo editing, and even some light video editing.
So it's a versatile all-rounder.
Exactly.
And we can't forget about that massive storage space.
Right, a 1 TB SSD is already quite generous, but you also get a 160 GB docking station included with the purchase.
So you'll never have to worry about running out of space. You also mentioned some standout security features, like the fingerprint reader and the privacy camera.
Yeah, those are great additions. The fingerprint reader allows for quick and secure logins, and the privacy camera shutter gives you peace of mind knowing that no one can access your webcam without your permission.
It's like having a physical barrier between you and the digital world.
Exactly.
All right, so we've taken a closer look at each of our contenders, and they all have their own unique strengths and weaknesses. So we've got 3 awesome laptops, each with their own unique strengths and weaknesses. Well, that wraps up our deep dive into the world of laptops. We hope this has helped you narrow down your choices, and maybe even spark some inspiration for your own dream machine.
To find the latest prices and deals on the Asus ZenBook 14, Acer Swift 14, and HP Spectre by 360, be sure to check out the links in the description below.
And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to subscribe to Tech Talk Central for more insightful discussions on the latest and greatest in tech.
We've got some exciting episodes coming up, so you won't want to miss them.